The Mavic Air might resemble the Spark in terms of size, but that's basically where the similarity ends. The new drone's arms are foldable, like those of the Mavic Pro, taking portability to a whole new level. When folded up, the Mavic Air can quite easily slip into a large pocket, think cargo pants or a big jacket. Weighing in at 430 grams, it's heavier than the 300 grams Spark but lighter than the 743 grams Mavic Pro, and definitely lighter than a pint of beer. The drone zip-up case reinforces how small it really is. It easily slips into a backpack or a camera bag with plenty of room to spare for the rest of the paraphernalia. Despite looking like a toy, the Mavic Air is robust and well-built. The recessed gimbal, with its clip-on camera cover, adds a layer of protection, making this a great travel companion. However, popping the cover back on after use can be a tad fiddly, with no perfect way to clip it back on. You'll just need to ensure the camera is facing straight ahead or you won't get the cover aligned properly to slide into position. Taking a page out of Spark's design, DJI has launched the Mavic Air in 3 colors, white, black and red. Although the colors are a playful touch, we found that the red and black versions were fingerprint magnets. The white version looks the best, but it can become more easily lost at a distance against a bright sky. The Mavic Air is the first DJI drone to introduce USB-C for content transfer. Sadly, the USB port can't be used to charge the drone. For that, you'll need to lug around the proprietary charger. Of course, it also comes with a microSD card slot, but this time there's 8 GB of onboard storage as well. So, if you forget to carry a card or manage to fill it up real quick, you can continue shooting with just a single tap.